Attention, severe weather ahead. Please stay tuned for our special announcement.
Hello, I'm Timothy. Thank you for tuning in for today's episode of Warning Severe Weather Ahead. Today I've invited a couple of people that are experts to join me to discuss tornadoes. Did you know tornadoes are very deadly? Our first guest is Timothy, a meteorologist. Timothy, what characteristics define a tornado? A tornado is a spinning funnel-shaped cloud. What season does a tornado usually appear in? They normally appear during April, May, and June. Where in the United States do this storm mostly often occur? They normally occur over flat land. Our next guest is Kaleb, who is an environmental scientist. Kaleb, what is the effect of this type of storm? People and their activity.
They have to hide in their basements.
What is one example of history when weather has been most severe?
In Bangladesh, 30,000 people were killed.
Our final guest is Mitchell, a representative of FEMA. What can people do to prepare for a tornado?
You can go in an underground shelter.
Is there a system for warning people about severe weather?
People can watch the weather on TV.
Thank you for being here. We are all better informed and prepared to face a tornado. Now, tune in again tomorrow for the next episode of Warning: Severe Weather Ahead.